Dear professors, my name is Yangxiyu. The topic of my thesis is how to do well human resource management. Take Apple as an example. There is my agenda. The abstract. Human resources management is of great significance to the development of enterprises, especially in the context of the epidemic of COVID-19. The problem is more prominent. The first chapter of this paper discusses the definition of each subject now, the current situation and the trend of human resource management, the problem faced by improving human resource management, and puts forward research objectives. Research these questions and research hypotheses. The second chapter reviews the literature, uses several themes to prove the goal of this study. And the rest. Human resources is the integration of the individuals and groups of these abilities and kind of social resources in order to achieve his maximum efficiency and make the best of his talent. With the rapid development of science and technology and the rapid development of society, the share of human energy, physical strength, and other elements in the big structure of human resources is getting smaller and smaller, while moral strength, intelligence, courage, and other implements play a more and more important role. There, we should constantly advocate the development of moral strength, intelligence, courage, and other resources. Here are the research background. First, adhering to the traditional concept of human resource management, there are ideological problems. At present, many enterprise managers' concept of human resource management is still in the past. Do not pay enough attention to the management of people. Focus the human resource department repeat the same work every day, lack the consciousness of innovation and reform. Here is the research objectives questions. The first is to study the solutions to the existing problem of human resource management. The second is to analyze Apple's application of human resource management. To study the current situation of development. The third is to study the effect of human resource management on enterprises. The fourth is to put forward suggestions to promote the development of human resource management. Here are some more questions. First, does the Apple's human resources management model apply to any other company? Second, what is the positive impact of human resource management on the development of enterprises? Third, from what aspects to do a good job in human resource management? Fourth, what is intelligence and reference of Apple's human resource management model to other enterprises? Here's the gaps identified. This is my theoretical and conceptual framework. Research methodology, population. As this survey discusses the model of human resource management through observation and collection of data. We know that human resource management problems appear in large and medium-sized enterprises involving a wider range of people. So take the general public as employees as the object of investigation. Sample collection adopts the method of sample random sampling, which is the simplest one-step sampling method. in which sampling units are selected from the population, and every possible sample taken from the population has the same probability of being selected. Variables. The dependent variable of this study is to solve the effect of different human resource management models on the development of enterprises. The independent variable is employee satisfaction with the human resource management model of the company. Instrument. The research tool of this study include Word document and sample collection tool questionnaire stars. Word documents are used to record, modify, and edit questionnaire questions, and the questionnaire stars are used to distribute collection and statistical questionnaires. Validity, reliability. The collection and processing of the questionnaire uses a more mature tool questionnaire star. The questionnaire data is not easy to be lost. The respondent answer questions directly through the platform, and the data are stable and reliable. The questionnaire star will show the time it takes for the respondents to complete the questionnaire, and the validated questionnaire can be screened accordingly to ensure that the data of the final survey result are true and reliable. Here is the hypothesis summary. Here is some discussion. The degree of completion of human resource management affect employees' experiencing of human resource management in their company. Employees in large companies with complete department system have deeper feelings about human company, have lower feelings about human resource management, while employees of large company are relatively higher. The reason is that the department system of some enterprises is not perfect. This shows that, relatively speaking, the most real and effective data of the questionnaire comes from a large company with a full department skill. But this does not deny the true reliability of the other data in the questionnaire. Here is some contribution. This study takes the human resource management model of Apple as an example piece into the whole from the special and enable reader to understand the current situation, development potential, and development problem of human resource management. Here are three limitations. This paper mainly studied the human resource management model of large companies such as Apple, which is of little significance for enterprise with small scale and department system that has not yet been fully established. Some of the examples in this paper come from the author's life experience, which is not convincing. In addition, the number of the questionnaire is only 2,000. The number is small. The age distribution is not uniform enough. So, the questionnaire will have some limitations. There are part of the references. Okay, thank you for listening.